Kynjoh Kalite Star School Pynursla ya umaujam ba arpusan haka balayo ban play ka Jingrakhe Jubilee rupa Jong men haka arpu atrik mentau benai haplau Jong ketika school. Hakani ka sila yo ban sakhi daga Jingrakhe lang ukong san Shri Vijay Kumar Mantri Commissioner and Secretary Upadikmi ikatanat puli puthi haka jela badharing kadru ka SDO Jong Pynursla Civil Subdivision kong EL Warjri kumjo ki kme ki pa rangba shnong rangba dong kinong hikai Jong ki pat ki school. Lapeni po ipeng ikani ka program daga Jingshat Jingrakhe Jong ki khana school badru la yo ban kentio ka lama kum kadang ban play ka Jingrakhe Jubilee rupa naga benta baroshisnem. Ka SDO Pynursla Civil Subdivision kong EL Warjri kala ong lesi kalong hapdeng ka jingya lenti ka bajrong bat kendo shibun ki jingye ki bakhang lad ha ki babon ki liang ha ka bamendang stang ladan tang arphongot ki khana school na ka class nursery house name arajar Henry ha bapet ye ka bamenta pat kani ka school kala la banang panya shushu shadu ka kedan class 6 ban aji shakri babhatam na ka benta ki khon khana jong ka than Nakaliang kong san Shri Vijay Kumar Mantri haba ai jingkren ningkong ulay thu shwa khandiat shapang ka jingshem jong u hakapor bodang le school babon ba ki jerwat ki jing e ko mukhana ushem ba hapding jong kamet de lem sharak haban tebe jingshai la de ban haban khre kon Henry menta pa duong ka jingsuk babon omdadan kam khuslai shu than kum hakitu ki juk ke mamen shwa kum tau kan tu kan pham ru ki khna ba dei ban trei shitom ban mina thap halai jing pule ban poi shaka thong kat kum ka jing thumu bat ka bakong san pat ula ong bana ka liang jong uru nang ye wan ra ki development ba pher ban pin ke hala ki jing dan kam jong ka school
from there, and we thought of spreading this education to our area, that is Pynursla area. So after the expiry of our mother, our father led us to keep a memory of our mother for her love for education and encouraged us to set up the school here. And it is already 25 years past. We faced so many ups and downs. And till today, 25 years gone, we have not yet got the opening permission. Come and participate here and to be here with us to enjoy the celebration, the Silver Jubilee celebration. I also wholeheartedly welcome our Madam Warjiri, who is the local SDO civil here. She is also very kind enough. When I sent my sister to her, she immediately agreed. Though it is a holiday for them, but it's working day, no? We thought it's a holiday, so it's okay. So anyhow, they spared their valuable time to come. I am very much thankful to them and also to everyone who are here today. So I am hopeful that we'll be learning more from our chief guest and guest of honor, what they have to say about the hard work of the managing committee and the teachers, along with the parents and local darbar. Thank you very much. Kublai Shibun Ifibaro.
Respected teachers, esteemed parents, alumni, and my dear parents, to each and every one of you present here, it is with immense joy, pride, and gratitude I stand before you on this historic occasion, the Silver Jubilee celebration of Little Star School. This day marks the 25 years of excellence, dedication, and transformation in education. It is not just a celebration of a milestone, but a testament of the hard work that we have toiled right from the year 2000 and the unwavering commitment of everyone who has been a part of this incredible journey. A journey of 25 years. On the 20th of March 2000, a dream was born, as has been told by our respected president. A dream to provide quality education to the children of Pynursla and its neighboring regions. The goal was simple but profound: to create a place where young minds could grow, could learn, and prepare for the bright future. What started as a small institution was just 20 students has today grown into a well-respected school that has nurtured hundreds of students. Over the years, our school has not only grown in numbers, but also in reputation, producing children who have excelled in academic, sports, and other fields. The journey, as has been jotted down by our president, was not without challenges.
Be kind always, be gentle, and the most important thing is that you should be very, very curious. And also, without forgotten my dearest teachers in those past years, your dedication, your tireless dedication and passion that you have shared among us, the students. You have been the guardians of the knowledge. You have been the mentors of mind. And you have been the architects of the future of many, many students in all these past 25 years. Thank you so much, my dear teachers, who have helped me all through those times when I was here and still helping at this very.
Kumbang i bakamoto jong school kaong ba education is the light of life. Yung bakla ngo batho opta te kumbaga kamoto jong school i ba i ba ka jingnang jing start kadai kata ka jing shai ya baro kenang bangin nang pule puthi mengitit ya baro ye gi bajia kani ka perthai kamta magini kisni kata mi kata ka Gen Z lane kata ka generation ka ba bubun hapori India ka population hapo iri India kalong ba hadu 100% kidai ki samla but ka jingdon jengni school hamni ru kan ai kan talenti ya ki khana school kimi pa kat kum guni ka juk ya school bona kaleng school bon ki jing ki shim ka shem khamtam habu dei ba kani ka juk kita ki digital resources ma hapo kani ka school ki padon te kani ka por Indonesia Vijay Kumar ang scam ba in Shibkia ba na kaleng government in Yarap kani ka school jongi hangni hasnong khamtam ki try jong ka school nang bikila kentiu ya ka jingnang jing start ani ka dong kathan jungi te tangini gentien kublai sipun kublai jarngo kublai kurpulang ni bro.
Despite the challenges, the school has strived In fact, what began with a small initiative of incorporating and inducting 20 students for the nursery class in 2000, today as it stands, we have the school managing and catering to many students up to class 6 or standard 6. So I have also been told that the building of the school is a privately owned, and it's been given to the school free of rent, so that the management committee members could run the school at ease, so that they'll be able to maintain it well and ensuring that students get to study in a comfortable environment. So today, I think we take it on ourselves to salute the efforts of its founding members. We celebrate the journey that has been, and we look forward also to a more promising future for the school. We are sure that today, looking forward from today, we will have many activities, a year-long activity commencing from today till the year end, that is in December, perhaps November or December 2025. So the students will be having a year-long celebration. I think many of the events would have been spearheaded by the capable teachers and partaken by the students, the present students, as well as the alumni. So it will not just end here. It will not just end here. I think looking forward from here, we have a legacy to carry on. The teachers, the students, the founding members, they have a legacy to carry on with the school. So it's not much, I won't say much at this juncture, but then I'm hopeful that with the concerted efforts of all the major stakeholders, if I say major stakeholders, I mean the managing committee members, the teachers, the students, the parents, and if it's being handheld by the government, I think we are looking at Little Star being a school of prominence, which will be talked of in the same breath as other schools in different parts of the state. So with these very few words, I'll not say much because the weather also won't permit it, but then I'm thankful to each and every one of you who has made this day a success. I think the credit would go to our head teacher, Ms. Monjuri Suteng. You have arranged it well, Miss. Thank you so much. And then for inviting us here, inviting myself, inviting Sir especially to take part in this August celebration of yours. And I think that the day will not go in vain unless and until you have done your part well. So, students here, I could feel that I'm very thankful because once that I'm sitting here, I've been sitting here for the past 1-2 hours, I could actually feel the vibrancy of these youngsters, and it's very refreshing also. Thank you so much, Miss, for inviting me here today. Okay, so I wish the school a very happy Jubilee year, and you take it forward from here that Little Star will shine as the name suggests. With these few words, thank you all.
So a lot of things I understood, and we had a talk about 40-45 minutes, and then I understood, she explained to me a lot of things that are happening in the education, especially in the rural area. And one thing she said that I was very surprised that the school is for 25 years, it's functioning so nicely, but there is no opening permission. Because that is surprising. Now you don't need opening permission, you already opened. And that was that discussion actually is helping many others, I'm telling you. So that discussion, because you have taken initiative to come to Shillong, met me. Now when I inquired, there are 504 schools in the state, which don't have opening permission, but still working for last 10, 20, 30, 40 years. Still work going on. So we have given an instruction. They must thank you, because we have given instruction by 31st March. All the schools should be not opening permission. We should give them recognition now. And after that, then the new schools we can give opening permission, because now you cannot have a school functioning, without opening permission. School is functioning. It's not the right thing. It reflects very poorly on the department. So we have had a meeting with all the DSCOs, SDSCOs. We have instructed them that all the schools should be recognized. It must be recognized. So this school definitely, very soon, in 2 weeks' time, you will get a letter with opening permission. There's no problem. And one more thing I observed recently, I attended a function in Saint Mary School in Shillong. And Saint Mary, Saint Anthony, Saint Edmund, these schools. You know how many students study in Saint Mary's? 3,000 students they study there in Saint Mary's. And most of the students must be from Pynursla. Some of them must be Pynursla. And I wonder, when you have such a beautiful school here, and dedicated principal, dedicated teachers, such a young and dynamic teachers where you have, there's no need to go to Shillong, and then it is disturbing the whole economy and the whole family system. The parents have to take so much trouble to take their children to Shillong and pursue high education. It must be available here. I wonder, by 25 years the school has, because of lack of opening permission, it has not grown. It should grow now. I request the principal, managing committee, that now you must grow. From 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, the students who are in 6, they should not go to other school. Because it is very troublesome, it's a traumatic experience for any students. They made nice friends here. After class 6, now they have to go. They have to go to another school. There also, maybe class 8 you have. Again, from class 8 you have to go to class 9 and 10. After 10, again you have to go to class 11. It's like, how many times they will go from one school to other school. My only request, we must grow. We will give full support to the school. Whatever support is required, I am sure the Darbashna and all the members of the committee, they must be supporting you. And I know that you are being given this house for free of rent. So I think there are many people, you have an SDSCO who can help you out. And very soon we are going to post here SDSCO also. It's in the proposal stage. SDSCO will come and who will directly support you. Of course, coming to the other points that are there in the representation is the support. Definitely, because I think so far, because there was no recognition, there was no opening permission, I think the school is left out. There are a lot of funds are coming from Government of India, Delhi, and there are a lot of state government funds are available, where we can give uniforms, books, many things, even the computers, IT infrastructure. There are provisions are available. I think now onwards, I think this school also will be getting very definitely. There's no doubt in that. I'm very happy to see the children, and they performed so nicely, and I think a lot of effort would have gone. Not the students, they are enjoying, but I think I'm worried about the teachers, because I don't know how much pain they have taken to train the students, and the students are so disciplined and so nicely they perform. It must be a treat to the eyes, my eyes. I think the parents also would have enjoyed so much. And thank you so much. I don't want to take much of your time. I'm very glad that you have invited me here. And even though you are private school and you have not taken any support from government, and then you have taken pain to invite officer from government, and I'm so thankful to all of you. And I just wish that this school will grow bigger and bigger, and at least till class 10. Very soon you should have class 10. Thank you so much, and I wish you all the best.